This video is brought to you by Senior Life Simplified. Enjoy the video.
In today's fast-paced world, joining a hobby group or senior club in your area can provide a refreshing escape and an opportunity to connect with like-minded individuals. These groups offer unique experiences, fostering friendships and learning in an environment tailored to your interests. Whether it's painting, gardening, dancing, or reading, there's a hobby group for nearly everything. Local community centers and libraries are excellent starting points to find the perfect club. Many also host events, workshops, and meetups to help prospective members understand what to expect. Senior clubs, on the other hand, are specifically designed for those looking to enjoy their golden years with peers who share similar life experiences. These clubs often provide a wide range of activities including games, crafts, trips, and volunteering opportunities. This not only ensures mental and physical engagement, but also builds a sense of belonging and community. To join a group or club, you might want to start by researching online. Many neighborhoods have websites or social media groups where hobbyists and seniors share information about upcoming meetings and events. Joining these online communities can be a great first step. Additionally, visiting local bulletin boards and cafes or community centers can reveal hidden gems of groups that might not be advertised widely. When considering joining, it's important to attend a few sessions as a guest. This trial approach helps assess the group's dynamics and ensures it aligns with your interests and expectations. Don't hesitate to ask current members about their experiences, as their insights can provide invaluable guidance. The benefits of joining such groups are vast. They help combat loneliness, develop new skills, and often lead to unexpected opportunities. Being part of a community where you feel valued and understood can immensely improve mental health and overall happiness. Whether you're seeking to delve deeper into a current passion or explore a new one, joining a hobby group or senior club could be your gateway to an enriched social life. So step out, explore, and embark on a fulfilling journey of friendship and personal growth in your local community.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe if you have not done so already, so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. Also, you might like some of our other channels we have on YouTube, like short Bible stories, hard biblical questions, and top 10 most loved Bible verses. Please check them out. I think you will enjoy them. Thank you and God bless.